Today I'm going to teach you how to make a tasty yet healthy breakfast in only 6 minutes. This wholesome start to the day will help you stick to your New Year's goals while saving you time and effort. To put this together, you're going to require a slice of bread, some butter or margarine, an egg, a mug or something with a flat bottom, salt and pepper, some chili powder which is completely optional but adds some colour and you can hardly taste it, and some Parmesan cheese which is also optional. Now go ahead and butter your bread the way you like it. Take your mug or flat bottom object and push it into your bread, making an indent for your egg to rest in. Don't go too wild or you'll make a hole in the bread. Take your air fryer basket and put it on a flat surface. Place a piece of bread in the basket and crack your egg into the indent that you made earlier. Go ahead and bang on the chili powder if you decided to use it. Go ahead and add your salt and pepper now. Gently shut the basket, be careful not to throw the crap everywhere, which is easy to do and I did a couple of times trying this. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes if you want a runny yolk and 9 minutes if you'd like a hard yolk. Now you have yourself a perfectly cooked runny egg on toast. All that's left to do is plate it up, add your Parmesan cheese or anything else that you're going to use, and go ahead and stuff your face. If you give this a go, let me know in the comments. I'll see you next time that I'm cooking dinner.